Okay, we're at 16025 Tammy Bonner. We're cameraing. She's been having repetitive backups. The backups are occurring downstream towards the city main. As you can see here, I've got schedule 35. Well, maybe you can't see, but I got the little kind of blue-green pipe on top of the sanitary line leaving the house. I'm only about a foot deep here. We're running away from the house. We're gonna rotate this here. PVC, straight out, straight out, straight out, straight out. Oh, got it clean out. Fitting. Go straight out. Looks good here. Straight out. Straight out. It's about 60 feet to the back fence. I'm not sure if the main's on her side or... Okay, we're starting to make our drop here. Another little turn. Wow. Where we going here? Huh? Where's my roots? Oh, here we go. We're starting to go into... This is a drop. Oh, here we go. Okay, right here we got a problem. Looks like we got a separation right here. It's catching my toilet paper. Yeah. See it? See it? No? Got roots coming in. Right, it looks like right at the tap. Yeah. Alright, let me get Miss Bonner here. So it's all going to be, I'm going to put you on locate, Bubba. Here we go. Alright, Tanner, here's what we got. First of all, you've got the real thin PVC. They call it Schedule 35. It's real thin. Normally use what they call Schedule 40.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's a thicker PVC, but that's what they used back in the day.
Okay.
But if you see right here, did you find it? It's going to be on the other side? Okay. We're out there, pretty much like I told you. It's going to be where it's dropping to the main. If you look right here, you see this offset?
Yeah.
Here, let me take the locator off. Okay. See where your paper product's hanging up?
Yeah.
This pipe is offset right here.
Okay.
It's like that far off. Now, further down, see, I mean, it looks great. All the way to this, to the first drop that it's getting ready to make. That's definitely separated and catching paper product.
I see that. Yeah.
Now we go down, and then right here is where we're going to start to get the roots. See the roots coming in right here? That's a root. Stuff's dripping off the roots.
Okay.
And then this has got to be down into your main.
Okay. So it's right at the main?
Yes, it's what they call the main tap. Now, there's a couple of ways to attack this. You can get the city a lot of times to make the repairs. They do it. I know in the city of Pasadena, they make the repairs for you. We're going to put orange paint, okay, in marks, and then what you're going to want to do sometime today is call the city. Say, look, I've had my plumbers out here. I've been having reoccurring stoppages. They ran the camera, and it will be on USB, and I'll turn that in as soon as I go back by to Mary. Danny can get it on the
Okay.
computer. But tell them, I don't want to overload you, but say that it's right, we've got roots and right at the tap and the riser. But like I said, a lot of cities will come in, they do the tap, they do your riser up, and they actually put the date on it. Okay? So, but that's your problem. So,
Okay.
what we're going to have to do,
Well, I called the city, actually,
yeah,
and because I thought that that's probably where the problem might be, since they weren't able to locate the camera
Sure.
when they ran it.
yeah.
And so they referred me to See Environmental, because it's we're in a mud district.
Oh, that's right, you're mud. Okay.
And so they told me that the next time I had a stoppage to call them so that they could come and put a camera in the line. So this would be good. Now I could call them back
Right.
and say, I have footage.
When I have footage, there's a small separation.
This is weird. I think somebody else is tied in. She's got no water running. See? Now, this could be also a situation where it becomes what we call common. Two people are sharing a drop.
Okay.
So it shouldn't be all your responsibility. You follow what I'm saying?
Yep.
Because, see how my camera's swinging here? See how it's swinging?
Yeah.
Doing this, so that tells me we're in the drop, okay? But like I said, the neighbor behind you could be coming in and on the same drop. So that's what they call a common. It's not your, just see roots. See the roots?
Yes.
Offset. I mean, it's bad. So, and you're gonna keep stopping up, you know? But then I'll show you, since you're standing here, we're coming all the way back. Well, that's where we're getting ready to do our things.
Yeah.
Down in the city, but this is all that cheap PVC. But the rest of the way back, what we gotta do? We gotta collect neighbors. I mean, we gotta talk to neighbors. So you know them behind you?
Yeah.
That would be awesome. Just if you could please ask her.
And we had exchanged phone numbers, but the last call they told me I couldn't phone it. Give me a minute.
Okay, and the thing too is, and maybe in this group, say, hey,
Okay, yeah, I will.
Unless I tell them to start there and go all the way to Maine.
yeah, but somebody else is tied in. Right there.
And then it's in the car that neighbor right there.
Huh?
Probably.
That's good. And you weren't on it right there? We'll see.
Done with this, we'll pull it out.
Yes, sir. Shut down the pressure. Go up.